All right, so what if you could replace Google with something smarter, faster, and actually gives you answers instead of just links? Yeah, that's exactly what Perplexity AI does. Let me show you how to use it step by step. First, quick idea. Google gives you links, but Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources. So instead of clicking multiple websites, you get everything in one place. Step one, ask full questions. Instead of typing keywords like you do on Google, ask exactly what you want, like you're talking to a person. Next, use follow ups. You don't need to start over every time. Just continue the conversation to go deeper. You can use it for research. It summarizes multiple sources instantly, saving you a lot of time compared to Google. Always check the sources. Perplexity shows where the information comes from, so you can verify it easily. Switch modes depending on what you need, like Web for real-time info or other modes. For deeper answers, start using it for your daily searches, news, learning, comparisons, or quick answers. Instead of going to Google every time, the biggest advantage, it saves time. No more opening 10 tabs, you get straight to the answer. So, yeah, once you get used to it, Perplexity can easily replace Google for most tasks. Just ask better questions and you'll get way better results. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more smart guides coming soon.